A concept in a minute. Degrees of freedom of gaseous molecules. For a monoatomic gas, the atom can translate in three mutually perpendicular directions, and hence there would be three independent kinetic energy terms. So the degree of freedom would be 3. Note it does not have any vibrational or rotational kinetic energy. For a diatomic gas, the degrees of freedom would be 3 due to translation. On top of that, there would be 2 more degrees of freedom due to rotation about the y and z axis. About the x-axis, the moment of inertia would be negligible due to the small size of the molecules, and hence the rotational kinetic energy about this axis would be 0. So the degrees of freedom would be 5. Now if the molecule is also vibrating, 2 more degrees of freedom would be added. For a polyatomic molecule, the degrees of freedom would be 3 due to translation and 3 due to rotation. Note that the vibrational kinetic energy depends on the actual structure of the molecule and is beyond our syllabus. Now, can you quickly answer this question and put your comments down?